What if the simplest daily habits could protect your child from constant colds, stomach bugs, and missed school days, not with fear or lectures, but with playful consistency? Healthy hygiene isn't about perfection or sterile living. It's about gentle, repeatable routines that become second nature. Start with hand washing, but make it engaging. Sing a 20-second song. Keep soap within reach and let them pick a scent they love. At this age, fun beats force every time. Teach them why, not just how. Say, germs are tiny, too small to see, but they can hitch a ride on your hands from doorknobs, toys, or your nose. Washing sends them down the drain. Visuals help. Sprinkle glitter on their hands to show how easily germs spread, then wash it away. Make toothbrushing a shared ritual, not a solo chore. Brush together in the mirror. Use a timer or app with a fun character. Let them choose their toothbrush, character themes, or bright colors increase buy-in. And flossing? Turn it into a secret agent mission to find hidden food villains between teeth. Nail care matters too. Trim nails weekly, not just for looks, but because germs hide underneath. Make it cozy, nail salon time with a footrest and calm music. Don't forget the eyes and ears. Teach gentle face washing and never sharing towels or eye drops. And show them how to properly blow their nose into a tissue, not their sleeve, then toss it and wash hands. For tweens, normalize body hygiene without shame. Your body's changing, sweat helps cool you down, but washing keeps you feeling fresh and confident. Offer choices: deodorant, shower schedule, hair washing guided, not dictated. Keep hygiene supplies visible and accessible: a step stool at the sink, a basket of tissues in the living room, hand sanitizer in the car. Most importantly, model it yourself. Wash your hands when you come home. Brush your teeth beside them. Say, "I'm washing up so we all stay healthy and strong." These habits aren't about fear of germs, they're about respect for their body and others. Clean hands mean fewer sick days, more playground time, and the quiet confidence that comes from feeling fresh and cared for. In a world full of invisible threats, hygiene is a simple, powerful shield, and it starts with consistency wrapped in kindness. Welcome to Genius Parenting, where health grows through daily care, not anxiety. If this gave you practical, pressure-free ways to build lifelong health habits, give it a like. It helps other parents raise resilient, confident kids. Share it with someone tired of constant sniffles and stomach bugs. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a genius parenting tip on raising clean, capable, and deeply cared for children.